This is the 1974 Robalo 190 center console. And let's go down the port side. And let's bring you down starboard. And here's a shot of this Yamaha 154 stroke. And here's a good look at this jack plate. And then we'll come down to the trim tabs. And then over on this side, you have your Minn Kota Talon. Stepping aboard this restored 1974 Robalo 190 center console, you just looking around, I think you'll quickly ascertain that this is just in excellent shape. Just absolutely beautiful everywhere you look. So I'll at first just give you a look around and then we'll start our video tour. And let's start here in the aft with this 2008 Yamaha 154 stroke. Now this received a new power head in 2013 as well as a new midsection. He is meticulously cared for this motor, right down to charting fuel input, just very well cared for. Now bring us over here to this Minn Kota Talon power pole. And then if I go ahead and turn around, you'll see this very large bait well in back of the helm seat. And if we lift up on this beautiful cover, there's a good shot of the live well. And then on the back of the helm seat, you're going to see rod storage. And then on the side, you're going to see rod holders. And then if we go up above in the T-top, you're going to see rocket launchers. Then moving forward, you have your leaning post. And then if I face forward, that'll bring us to our helm. I think it's safe to say that this boat has one of the most beautiful center console helms I've seen. And let's get a close-up look. Taking a look at the tower from this angle, if you look around at the metals on this tower, they look absolutely incredible. You can just tell there's a lot of care given to this boat for metals to present this well on a tower. It's just absolutely beautiful. And if we come down to the lower helm, you're going to see your Garmin GPS Map 740S, your Ritchie compass, Yamaha gauges. You're going to see your jack plate controls, your trim tabs, all your switches, and just an impeccable steering wheel. And then if I just step back, you can see it's just a very elegant presentation. Drink holders on each side. Lift up here, you have your cooler, ignition, lock drawer storage. And if I come all the way to the bottom and open up on this just very large cover, and you're gonna see that there's your batteries. And I just love that they put them up here on the deck in the console instead of down in some hole. Just great thinking. And then if we come over to the port side, you're going to see your Fusion stereo plus speaker. And then move over to the starboard side, you have your battery switch. And that will bring us forward to the bow. And once again, just absolutely beautiful everywhere you look. The decks are in beautiful shape. The metals are all in beautiful shape. And if we go ahead and turn around here, good shot of this Yeti cooler seat. And looking at the front of this tower, once again, metal's just in incredible shape. All the teak's in great shape. And then in the center deck, if I lift up here, you're going to see storage. Right now, he's got some road in there as well as some life vests. And then opening up the storage underneath the raised platform, you'll see he's got some anchor stored in there as well as some fenders. And now let's climb the tower to the upper helm. And here we are on the upper helm, and the first thing I'll note is it's just a very large tower up here. And as you can see, just great views all the way around. But once again, the metal's in great shape. Everything is just really in nice shape. And then up here as well, you'll see your Yamaha attack. You'll see your jack plate controls, trim tab controls. And then open up here and you've got lock storage. And just quite a view. And now is the time of the video where I give a condition report and name opportunities for a new owner to improve this boat. But looking around, I think you can tell right away that this is just a beautiful restored Robalo 190 center console. I mean, I don't think there's an area of this boat that this owner has not shown tremendous care on everywhere you look. And it is fully outfitted. I mean, it's got the Minn Kota Talon power pole. It's got the beautiful tower, Garmin electronics, as well as Fusion stereo, as well as a large live well, taco outriggers. And also this boat includes an Owens & Sons dual axle aluminum trailer. And that trailer is cared for in the same manner as the boat is. In terms of condition, I think the HD video will really tell you more than I could verbally, but it is safe to say he cares for this boat as much as any owner I've ever had. He's owned this boat 42 years, and you can just see through the things that are hard to keep beautiful, like the metals, that he just spends a lot of time on maintenance, service, to make the boat show just like this. But keep in mind, this is no museum piece. I mean, he's out, he's using this boat. He just takes excellent care of it. In terms of opportunities for the new owner to improve this boat, this owner is not an owner that leaves things undone. It's just absolutely a beautiful, restored classic, truly elegant, and one of a kind.